We want more consistency in his talent. I think today was positive for him. That's why I left him for 90 minutes on the pitch. He was enjoying, he was trying things, and it's important in these friendly matches to try things, which he did. So I think it's good for Antonio, for his confidence. Young players, still time to learn, still time to improve, still time to develop, and it's also his personality. I can say that he's training better than before. He's working harder than before. It's a question to bring his talent more in a consistent way.